I got his break, and crimping hair part 3. And as you can see that I have like changed my bangs, and they're all just like over there. It's kind of annoying, and I have to tell you guys the truth. I used harmful products. Ah! And I piled it on. I swear I piled it all in the little creases of my head. All like right there. It's still wet. Right there. Let me see. Give me a second. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry y'all gotta see this on camera. Y'all had to see it. Now I feel like extremely bad. Like, not, I'm a bad girl. Like, I feel bad. I think. I'm sorry. To be honest. But here's the hair crimp right here. Just move the bangs right here. Like this. So we can do the other side of my head. We're gonna take this down and it's gonna hurt. No. 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 Ripping! Ripping! The ripper! God. And then there's this little braid. It's on my nose. I got used to flipping my head like that with Justin Bieber. Oh, I don't know what I think. And no, it's not just because everybody else in the world thinks he's good. No, that's not the reason I don't like him. I just don't like him because he's abnormal. God. He's cute, but he's odd. I'm not gonna be, oh my god, the little girl singing. I'm just gonna say he's different. I mean, and meaning career-wise, different's good, but not for somebody like him. Alright, I will be right back. And I got something really funny to tell you guys. Whenever I'm like, I had to use the bathroom. I just went to use the bathroom. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I just went to use the bathroom. But I was thinking to myself, I was like, you know, sometimes when I watch my YouTube videos to make sure I have no comments, well, I have comments, rates, subscribers, all that stuff, I look at myself and I'm like, oh my god, I'm trapped in a box. So, I feel like really retarded when I do that. But it's the truth. I do feel like I'm trapped in a box. You're just going to do the same thing with just bricks. Uh, alright. And I need to go get another hair bone. You can also use a comb like this, fine tooth and white tooth, but I don't like to because it has fine tooth right there. My hair is so thick that it'll just catch it, you know. So get some more hair bows. These are what I use. Goodies Ouchless 50 pack of hair bows. Look how many I'm missing. I always say this bad. Let's get started. And I just took up 6 minutes of your life. Like I said in all my other videos, this video is well. Sorry. I will be making another few videos to do outfit, hair, outfit, makeup, and crimping. Another thing, this is for all hair. If your hair is wet, anything like that, I would recommend not curling your hair while it's wet. But if you do, you're going to hear a loud sizzling. You're going to want to take it off. Sometimes, if it's just a little hair heat protector spray or anything like that, don't take it off. If it's straight up water and it's straight up product all over your head, soaking your hair down, take it off. Because you're going to burn your hair, burn yourself, fry your hair, your hair's going to be fuzzy, you're going to have to get it all cut off, and then you could possibly catch your hair on fire. You guys want to do that? Didn't think so. I don't think anybody will catch your hair on fire. If you catch your hair on fire, I'm blaming and I'm laughing. I'll be like, don't blame me, I warned you. Now this is, I'm also going to say this. This is a very unique hair that you can do for picture day. I'm going to say that straight up. Because I was going to do it last year. I'm not going to. So. And I'm also going to say, I say that a lot. Hot utensils break easily, so use them carefully. Cheese, those $200 straighteners, those things are really nice. My friend has one, I think that's amazing. Those things can break really easily from overusage. Another one of my friends had one and it broke after a week. Never got another one. Yeah. It broke after a week for overusage. It heated up and it just like basically blew up. Didn't it like literally, oh my god, kaboom, blew up. It just like started steaming and caught on fire. So yeah, you don't want to overuse any hot water. I mean any hot utensil. If you do that, it ain't gonna be fun. I'm gonna laugh. I'm honestly gonna laugh at y'all if you do that. No offense, but I mean, like I warned you. Because I am your go-to school gal. Y'all might want to listen to any advice that I'm trying to give y'all. Because I know a lot about school. Because I'm picked on all the time at school. So what I do is I just ignore it. You ignore it. They want to be ignorant, let them be ignorant. Just don't listen to them. That's okay? You want to hear me talk fast? I talk fast like talk fast, I mean fast. You might think I'm having a heart attack. Alright, so here we go. So today at school, I was just sitting home and everybody was talking, right? Sarah just comes up and she's like, I kissed her, and I was like, who is it? She's like, a girl. And I was like, you better not be kissing my best friend. She's like, I'm gonna kiss your best friend all over. And I was like, you better not be going over. She's like, I know I'm not going over, but I still kiss him. I was like, girl, you need to shut up. And she walked away. And then another day at home, I came without her. So I'm not gonna say her last name again because like she walked up and she's like, oh my god, did you see what I said? I was like, oh girl, I saw that playing. And then her friend Cynthia, my friend Cynthia too, she just came over and she was like, I kissed a boy, and I was like, what boy? She's like, one of your friends. And I was like, y'all better stop kissing my best friend. I was like, kissing with my best friend. I was like, how do you know that? She's like, because I know. And then I was like, how'd you kiss him? She was like, and then my lips something and his lips and then I smiled and I was like, girl, you need to shut up. So that's how I talk about. I talk way faster and a lot more than that. But I only have like 2 minutes left and I have to finish my hair. It's straight. What the heck? This piece is like straight. From right there. If you don't finish your hair in the time you want, I'm so sorry. This does take a little bit of time to do. Don't blame me for the matter of the time because this is my third crimping thing. I'm just crimping my hair. So I'm so sorry if it does take a while. Don't blame me. That's not funny though. Alright,